Hello everyone, at this video we are going to see what we can do with animation extension. Here is the section for it. Let's open it. Firstly, let's see what we have at headers: title, element, name and price. So those are what we affect with animations. Title means this one. Element means all these. Everything inside this. So image, name, price, and if there is tag or second place. All of them is one element. And name, price. Price means this one. So those are what we select to animate. And here is options for animations. First, animation name. We will choose one. Here is the list. At this list, we can see many different animations. We can choose one and choose some options to set, like millisecond setting or the animation time. We can leave it 0, so it will be default trimming. But we can edit it to make its trimming as we want. And delay time before animation starts, steps or animation, like for example this one. This have 2 steps. As you can see, it jumps one and again one time, and that's all its animation. 1, 2. That's how it is. Repetition or animation. We choose 0 to make it infinite. But we can make it like 10. So it will do its work 10 times and stop. Of course, that 10 times starts when page loads. So if we refresh page or just load it, that 10 times, this one, 10 times will be start. Time between animations. So as you can see, this one zooms one and again, and that completes its animation. And to do it again, it waits some time between those two. That's what it is. It's 10 seconds. It waits that much to start again. That's all for settings. This may look little for you, but we have so many animations here, so we can have many different looks. And for title this, for element, for name, and for price. Let's see some examples here. By the way, as you can see, I didn't put many animations to page because animations actually make page fewer. Animations are maybe best way to point things we want for customers, like we may point this easily. It may be best way, but at websites they are not used much because they are not easy to maintain altogether. Let me show you an example. Here at this page we have no animation for this button, but as you can see it moves because animation make item goes outside of page, so it makes this button to move. When there's too much animations, they might be bad for how page looks. Still, it's not bad to try things. As always, we can try them. And here is the trick. These are for general settings. But what about list settings? Here we go, this one. And this one is same as general settings, but just for first list. And here is something new. This is item specific animation. So if we used this one for making animations, for example, for names, that would add animation for all names on this list. They will be moved by this all same. But if we choose this one, we can select this item only to add animation, like this one. For example, we choose name, so we are going to add something to name. But which one? First one we choose. Of course, at this list, at first list, because we choose it here, we choose name. Which name? First name. So first name is this. And we choose second price. And which second price? This one. It makes it this one. And we choose price. Which price? This price. Here it is. And here we choose element. Which element? This element. So as you can see, this one have some animation. Yeah. Actually, this is better than moving all names together. But still, moving all names together is also not bad actually, because they might look good. Still, that would make your browser more tired. So we can choose name, second name, price, and element. For title, it's just title left. For title, we can already use this one. This is like item specific already, because there's only one title. Let me show you the settings for item specific animations too. They are same. As you can see, here we choose animation and some theming, and that's all. The important thing is it's powerful, we know it, but we shouldn't use it too much, so browsers won't get tired. That's all for this video. See you next time.